Lindsay and today we are making a miniature no-melt version of one of my all-time favorite desserts with my mini chocolate chip cookie pops. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button so you're the first to see my all-new videos. These bite-sized little chocolate chip cookie pops look just like mini cookie ice cream sandwiches, but they're on a stick, so they're so much cuter. So I'm sure you guys remember when I made my giant ice cream cookie sandwich. So I wanted to kind of do another play on the idea and make a miniature version, and I couldn't resist putting them on a stick because, come on, everything is cuter and tastes better when it's on a stick, right? These would be like perfect to put out at any party or celebration. They're just so much fun, or you can let kids kind of create their own custom cookie pops. It's a really fun activity. And the best part is you can really add any kind of toppings you like to really customize these to match the theme of like any event. Alright, so we start with the cute little mini chocolate chip cookies, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below or on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. Now this is my mini chocolate chip cookie recipe from last week's video, but you can definitely just buy store-bought mini chocolate chip cookies and put these together the same for a really easy alternative. So we're just going to beat together the butter, brown sugar, and white sugar in a large mixing bowl on medium speed until it's light and fluffy. Then we're going to beat in the egg yolk and vanilla extract. And last, just add the flour, baking soda, and salt. And we're just gonna beat this on low speed until it's just incorporated. Now comes the best part. With a rubber spatula, we're just gonna beat in the mini chocolate chips. Then we're just gonna scoop the dough into little balls, about 1 rounded teaspoon each, and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And my trick for getting these cookies to look so cute and perfect is to just press in some extra little mini chocolate chips on top so they come out perfect and gorgeous every time. And I just decided to scale down one of my favorite chocolate chip cookie recipes so we have a smaller batch version to work with, so we're not rolling like 1,000 little mini chocolate chip cookies, and it comes out with the perfect 24 mini cookies. And since these are so tiny, it's really important not to over bake these. We want to keep that nice soft center with the perfect crispy edges. Alright, these look so cute already. Now we're just going to pop them in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 6 to 9 minutes. It's a really short baking time because these are so tiny, until they're nice and golden brown. How adorable did these mini chocolate chip cookies turn out? They're like the cutest version of one of my favorite recipes. Alright, now we're just gonna let these cool and get the rest of the ingredients ready so we can put it all together. Okay, now I'm gonna give away my secret for making these melt-free, and that's because the little cookie sandwiches are not actually made with ice cream. I use marshmallows dipped in melted white chocolate to give that ice cream cookie sandwich look. So we're just gonna push the rounded side of a marshmallow onto a lollipop stick. Then we're gonna melt some candy melts in a microwave-safe bowl in 30-second intervals, just stirring in between each interval until it's nice and smooth. Then just coat the entire marshmallow in the melted candy and press the bottom of 1 cookie onto each side so you sandwich the marshmallow in between the 2 little cookies. Then we're gonna sprinkle on the toppings around the entire side of the marshmallow and let it stick to the candy. I'm doing some with some rainbow confetti sprinkles, and then I also did some with some mini chocolate chips to look like the kind you get at the grocery store. Then just put them on a wire rack to let them dry and set before serving. How adorable did these turn out? Alright, the best part, let's dig in. And if you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay and Bakes, or share this video with somebody who you know would love these little cuties. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. This soft marshmallowy center and that crunchy cookie with the chocolate chips. These are so delish. Look at that, you guys. And these are the best and would be perfect for a party. And if you guys love this recipe, you are also gonna love my giant cookie ice cream sandwich or my mini bugle ice cream cone meringues. So be sure to check those videos out too. So there you have my mini chocolate chip cookie pops. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are seriously the best. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love. And I'll see you right here next time. Bye! Alright guys, so this week on the channel we are making mini chocolate chip cookie pops. You guys, these things are so freaking cute. They look like those little ice cream sandwich cookies, but they're on a stick and they're miniature, which makes them ultra adorable. Be sure to check it out.